I was found in the back blocks of New South Wales and brought back to Adelaide, completely restored by Jeff Granson at Edwardstown, and currently a chap that looks after it a bit now, mechanical wise, is a lad called Vinny, and he helps me whenever I have a problem.
What sort of truck is it?
1922 Sora, 4-cylinder, 7.5 to 8 litres, crank stand with magneto, and only brakes on the rear wheels.
How fast does it go?
There's no instrumentation in the vehicle whatsoever.
Is that legal?
Have you ever been picked up speeding?
No. Tension it up here on the tensioner. The grease that you just turn the nipples in, and it greases all your points. Gravity feed carburetor down here. And to get it started in the morning, put fuel in one of these spots, open it up, the fuel goes down, and allows you to start the vehicle when you want to stroke in and pick the fuel up the spot. Hold your ears.